Hey guys, welcome to Let's Play Alliance. So I just want to tell you guys about how this camera fares when it comes to autofocus and vlogging. For all you people wanting to vlog out there, I'm not a big fan of it myself, but I think when it does work, it works well. So the easiest way to do it is to set it on autofocus continuous on the back of the camera. Set the resolution on 1080p 60 and go into video A mode, aperture priority. Then set the aperture to 5.6 and have auto ISO. It'll be great. And set it to face tracking because it tracks the face pretty well, as you can see here. The good thing about the face autofocus is it also does 49 area, so it just focuses on many of the surroundings, letting you basically hold it with one hand and work the camera. So if you're going into a low light area, like a metro, what you want to do is you want to crank that aperture all the way down to the lowest number it can go. And then it does a bit better in low light. The auto ISO will compensate. You probably also want to switch to single point autofocusing, so it focuses in the middle or wherever you touch on the screen, so you don't get problems like this, where it focuses on the background instead of the foreground. This is where it should focus. Focus. See, now it's focused. See, that's the problem you can encounter. I do suggest, though, for you guys to get if you're going to use this sort of camera for vlogging, since it has a flip out screen, really nice, but get a little monopod or tripod thing that you can hold, because it's so awkward to hold in the way I'm holding. I mean, it doesn't look like I'm holding anything until just really hurts my thumb because the camera grip is meant to be held the other way around. And yeah, but last but not least, the most important thing about this is two more things. Use Panasonic V, which captures vivid stuff. It looks really nice. See, look behind me. Look at that. And then, if you're wondering if you should get this camera primarily for vlogging, I would say no. Use your phone. Alright, that's it for the video. Hope you like this, guys. And like, comment, subscribe, dislike if you hate it, and bye.